Nestled amidst the misty eastern Himalayas lies Manipur, often called the Jewel of India. Manipur, meaning land of jewels, truly lives up to its name. It offers a unique blend of natural splendor and cultural richness. Picture vibrant festivals, exquisite handloom textiles, and the rhythmic grace of Manipuri dance. From the moment you step foot in Manipur, you'll be captivated by its charm. The warm hospitality of its people will embrace you. Manipur, a landlocked state, is nestled in the heart of northeast India. It is bordered by Nagaland, Assam, Mizoram, and shares an international border with Myanmar. The state is characterized by its varied topography, from fertile valleys and lush green hills to dense forests and sparkling rivers. The Central Valley, home to the Imphal Basin, is a picturesque landscape dotted with lakes and paddy fields. The climate in Manipur is predominantly subtropical, enjoying pleasant weather throughout the year. The monsoon season transforms the landscape into a lush green paradise. Manipur's location in the eastern Himalayas contributes to its rich biodiversity. The state is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna, including many rare and endangered species. Its strategic location has made it a gateway between India and Southeast Asia. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or a glimpse into its rich cultural heritage, Manipur has something to offer every traveler. Manipur's history is as rich and vibrant as its culture. The state boasts a recorded history dating back over 2 millennia. The early history of Manipur is marked by the rise and fall of several powerful kingdoms and dynasties. The Meitei people established a powerful kingdom in the Imphal Valley around the 1st millennium CE. The reign of King Pamheba in the 18th century marked a golden age for Manipur. The arrival of the British in the 19th century brought significant changes to Manipur. Despite British influence, Manipur fiercely protected its cultural identity. The spirit of resistance against colonial rule culminated in the Anglo-Manipuri War of 1891. This pivotal event is remembered for the bravery and valor displayed by the Manipuri people. Manipur's cultural heritage is a vibrant tapestry woven from the traditions and customs of its diverse ethnic groups. The Meitei community has played a significant role in shaping the state's cultural identity. Manipuri dance, renowned for its grace and elegance, is a classical dance form recognized throughout India. The Raslila, a dance drama depicting the love story of Radha and Krishna, is a popular form of Manipuri dance. Music is an integral part of Manipuri culture, with traditional instruments like the pinya and the dhol. Manipur is also known for its exquisite handicrafts, particularly its handloom textiles. The traditional Manipuri shawl, or inafi, is a prized possession. Manipur, though lesser known on the tourist map, is a treasure trove of captivating destinations. Imphal, the capital city, is the perfect starting point for your Manipuri adventure. Visit the Kangla Fort, a historical palace that stands as a testament to Manipur's glorious past. No trip to Manipur is complete without experiencing the surreal beauty of Loktak Lake. This largest freshwater lake in northeast India is famous for its unique phumdis, floating islands of vegetation. Located on the southeastern shore of Loktak Lake, Cabo Lamjau National Park is the only floating national park in the world. It is home to the endangered sangai, or brow-antlered deer, found only in Manipur. A short drive from Imphal lies Andhro, a historical village known for its ancient temples and cultural heritage. Situated on the border of Myanmar, More is a bustling border town and a gateway to Southeast Asia. Whether you're interested in history, culture, nature, or simply soaking up the local way of life, Manipur has something to offer every traveler. Manipur, the Jewel of India, is a land of captivating beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. From its breathtaking landscapes and ancient temples to its colorful festivals and warm hospitality, Manipur offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience. Explore the ancient ruins of Kangla Fort, witness the surreal beauty of Loktak Lake, or immerse yourself in the cultural performances of Imphal. Embrace the warmth of its people, savor the flavors of its cuisine, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Manipur is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left. Come, explore the Jewel of India and discover the magic that awaits you.